And back in them corners were the bathroom windows and teachers' lounges and teachers' lounge bathrooms. They were actually most of the bathrooms were back in the corners. Those windows were all eliminated in 1976 when they added the stairway towers. And the door and window down in the first floor, they was taken out when they added the new cafeteria because they put a loading dock on this end. So that a lot of that had changed over in here. See, when most of the building was all, the original building was almost all gone on this corner.